Got it. Okay, very cool. Big difference just seeing it under construction. Okay, laundry, bathroom. This is really cool. See, I appreciate this because you can see the cinder blocks.
Correct.
That's really cool. So it's not like some cheap sheetrock, right?
Hard construction.
Yeah, great. And look at the developer. Look how clean they work. I mean, everything is just spotless. I mean, the textured wall here, you could see it all the way down. Okay, this is the reason why I wanted to come up here. Because this flex room is actually larger than you would think. Without having all the furniture here, you realize how big this is, and you could actually put like a bed right there, really,
Correct.
and close it off, which is fantastic. Whether it's a futon or a Murphy bed, you could put your television right there. This space is actually massive. This is great, nice high ceilings. Oh, my wall, this is beautiful, loving it. So cool, very nice. Mateo, what does that say?
You cannot touch it.
Not too bad. Don't touch here or here?
The whole wall.
The whole wall. It's beautiful, man. I gotta tell you, this is great. And now you can see all the built-in. It's fantastic. All right, I saw a lot of natural light over there. I want to go back outside really quick because it gave me a really good perspective of the building itself.
Correct.
Yeah, so let's do that really quick
Sure.
before we look at anything else. Yeah, so this is why I want to come out here because you could really see and appreciate this open atrium, all the natural light coming through. This is beautiful. So the angel sculpture is going to go there?
Yes, the angel sculpture is going to be in the middle. Right
Okay.
there.
And then seating area all around there. Love the natural light. And these are the what?
These are the 2 bedrooms, 3 bath.
Okay, 3 baths.
Correct.
Wow, cool. And all those over there?
The 2 bedrooms plus flex.
Cool. You know, I gotta tell you, Mateo, I've seen thousands of condo buildings and they're all like cookie cutter boxes and they're dark. No building has like this open space here with all the natural light coming through. This
Also,
is
you
fantastic.
can feel the breeze, as you can see with the plants and everything.
Yes, everything's growing so great. Okay, I wanna look at that model unit.
Sure, let's go.
Let's go. Aha. Oh. The air conditioning feels great. So
Yes.
nice. Okay.
Taniel, check it out.
What's so special about this? What is this? Ah, okay, laundry. I love the mop sink. This is a brilliant Mexican technology here. You know why? Because all the dirty water, when you're cleaning ladies, like mops everything up, people like dump it in the toilet, you know, usually, but that is brilliant. You just dump it right in there. And you've got the full bath here?
Yes, these are the first full bath.
Great. Again with the sinks, I'm just loving it, all the fixtures. This is wonderful, beautiful.
Taniel, what do you think of the furniture?
Well, I think I'm gonna try it out and sit here for a second and absorb. Oh, this is so comfortable. This is so great. Oh, I love it. This is so nice. And I love like all the natural light. And what's great here is it's not actually coming inside the unit, so you're not like burning up. This is so cool. Love the sofa. And the dining table, again, it's great. This is beautiful. Who decorated this place?
The developer, she chose everything.
The developer did?
Correct?
Well, she's got great eye and fantastic taste. Okay, where are the bedrooms?
Right here.
Okay. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. Mateo, I like this. I'm guessing this is the closet space. Very nice, built-ins. I love the built-ins, man. Very, very smart. This is cool. Massive TV. Excuse me, you didn't tell me there's a kitchen in here. It's a little kitchenette.
Yes, this is the little kitchenette.
Why is there a kitchenette in here?
Because we have the second entrance right here.
Oh, this is the lock-off unit.
Correct?
Ah, so it's got its own front door here. Aha, so this is the separate entrance. Great. So that's smart. So you would lock that door, and this is a self-contained unit.
Correct.
You could rent it out, do whatever you want, make some extra dinero. And is there a bathroom?
Yes, there is a bathroom right here.
Over here. Okay, let me see. It's right over here. Very nice. I can't say enough how many times I love the sinks in here. Okay, I want to see the other bedroom. Okay, and this is the principal bedroom. King size bed, fantastic. Again, with that wall, I love.
Fan included.
Fan is included. Okay, just checking. I love the textured walls, AC. Hello. What's this?
The shower.
The shower. People don't mind, huh?
No?
Well, I guess you have one unit left,
Correct.
so okay, a little bit of Amsterdam. Got it. And this is
Closet.
this closet. Very cool. Gosh, that's great for the shoes. This is great. Let me go through here. More storage. This is great. Look at all this, man. It's
You have
amazing.
a lot of space.
A lot of storage. This is fantastic. Okay, and this is the third bath, right? Yep. Love the slate. This is beautiful. And here's the shower. You want to go on the other side? Do you have any music? Is the water on? No, it's not. Okay, cool. Well, too bad for you. All right. Loving it. It's fantastic, Mateo. I love it. This is great. So, 2 full baths, lock off, extra money. Perfect. All right, now I want to check out the 2+ flex. Yes? We're gonna go out this way?
Yes.
All right.